Hey guys, welcome back to Code 4. This is a new video from our series Python at Your Fingertips, which teaches Python for beginners. Thank you for all your support and letting us come this far. In this video, we'll be looking at an example question where we code using while loop and conditional statements for better clarification about the topic. If you haven't checked out our previous videos yet, the link is in the description below, so be sure to check them out. So for now, let's dive right. So, looking at the question, here's what we need to do. We need to write a code where it has a specific number saved and allows the user to guess that number. The user has unlimited guesses, and the code keeps going until the user gets it right. The number of tries the user used and the points scored should be shown when the user gets the number right. If the user gets the answer right between 1 and 5 tries, then they get 100 points. If between 6 and 10 tries, then they get 50 points. But if they take more than 10 tries to get it right, then they get 0 points. So that's about it. Let's try writing the code. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to assign the value, the number that we need to guess, that the users need to guess. So for this variable, we can keep it as correct number for further references, so it's easier for us. Okay, and this needs to be an integer. Okay, and for this example, we can keep this as 5. Yeah. Okay. So now we've given the value of 5 to the variable correct number. Next, we need the variable of guess count to count the number of tries each user gets before getting the answer correct. Okay, and for this purpose, let's keep it as 1 because if we use it as 0, the first guess will not be processed. Okay, so after this, we need to input their guess. So this variable can be kept as guess itself. Okay, and it needs to be an integer, and we can input it. Next, we need to add a while loop. So basically, a while loop is used when we need a condition. Okay, so until the condition is met, the code under it will keep repeating itself. So here we need the guess to be kept on. We need to keep inputting the guess until it matches the correct number. So let's do it. Okay, so while guess is not equal to, this is not equal to correct number. Hmm. Hmm. Need to print. Another important thing to add here is that we need to increase the count by 1. And to do that, we have to do guess count is equal to guess count plus 1. Yeah. And then we have to add the input statement again over here. Yeah. Okay, so this loop will keep iterating until the user gets the answer correct. But then what happens after they get it correct? So for that, we can add else over here. And under else, we need to do 3 things. Okay. First, we need to print or tell the user that they got the answer right. Okay. Next, um, we need to tell two different things. Okay, first we have to output the number of guesses the user took. Okay, this is easy because you have a guess count right here. Okay, but then to add the integer, the guess count is an integer, so to convert it into string, we have to write str before it, and then for guess count. Okay. And then after this, we also have to output the number of points they have. So here is where it gets a little complicated. We have to use an if statement, and using that, we have to give them the output of the number of points they get. Okay, so we have three conditions here. Firstly, if the try, if the number of tries is between 1 and 5, they get 100 points. Okay, and secondly, if the number of tries is between 6 and 10, they get 50 points, and if it's more than 10, they get 0 points. So for this, we can keep it as if s count is less than 6, right? Because then that includes entire first category. Okay, you have to print points 100. Okay, and then else if s count, here we can use 11. Okay, since it's already checked if the value is less than 6, this only filters the value that are not less than 6. So it automatically gets the values in the range of 6 to 10. Okay, so here we print then else we print. Okay, so now we're done with the code. Let's check if it works. Okay. Mm, okay. They've asked for a guess. Let's try not to put 5. So 6. Okay. 2. Let's give the correct answer now. Yes, it works fine. What about for 50 points? Let's try. Okay. 1, 2. See, that works fine too. Now let's try for 0 points. Okay. Mm, See, it works just fine. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. Um, our code works great, and I hope you understood this and found this useful. If you have any doubts or suggestions, Please leave them below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's meet again in the next video.